apps appears
How to
show
send
you.
iMessages with special effects. Follow these easy steps to send iMessage with special effects. Go to your message app and go to a conversation. And now write here your iMessage. Okay, now to send this message with special effect, all you have to need just tap and hold on the send button. And here you will find this send with effect page. Now here if you select bubble, under bubble you will get these 4 effects. And if you select screen, here we can see screen effects. You can swipe to the left side to add another effect. Here we can see the result. So here I'm selecting bubble effect and let's select this gentle bubble effect for this message. And now once you've selected the effect, just tap on the send button. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully sent an iMessage with special effects. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.